Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Eder with your Wednesday, September 12th morning market commentary. Obviously, in grains today, the prime focus will be on today's September USDA crop report. Quickly going over the numbers, corn, we're looking for a carryout decline of 45 million bushel to 1.639. That comes on a yield decrease of 0.6 of a bushel to 177.8. For the most part, recently leading into this report, corn has stayed mainly sideways. They bounced a little bit last week and they've maintained most of that bounce as you'd look for a small pre-report trade bounce going into a slight carryout decline, and that's what they've maintained leading into this report. Over on the bean side, we're looking for carryout increase of 45 million bushel up to 830. That comes with a yield increase of 0.6 bushels to 52.2. Monday, Tuesday started the week pretty strong for the beans. There was a little bit of Chinese scare of early frost actually. But yesterday and overnight we've seen a little bit of tailing off, and that's the type of pre-report trade you would expect going into a carryout increase of 45 million bushel. Over in wheat, carryout increase of 6 million bushel to 941, so not really looking for too big of a report there. The story this or overnight from Russia was that there's light talk of Russia slowing the approval of quality permits. That might be seen as a sign, an end-around sign of a way to limit exports from Russia. So we did see a little bit of support in the wheat here last night. But again, the report for wheat today, not really expecting too much of a change in carryout. Lastly, over in cattle, Packer bid started yesterday at 106.50. That was a bit low, as we might have expected on a Tuesday. Later in the day, that did move up to 108. Yet we saw cattle pull back anyway. And this comes from the fact that December cattle has had a real problem with the 115 level. In fact, over the last 2 months, we've hit 115 12 different times. It either got really close or hit 115 12 different times in the last 2 months. And on all 12 of those times, it never reached 116. That's a very strong sign that we know exactly where to expect resistance in cattle. It's at 115 or around that level. So even on positive news yesterday, the combination of a 27,000 lower show list and an already improved Packer bid on a Tuesday, we're still having problem with that 115 level. So keep that number in mind when watching the futures. And even if we do get a stronger cash trade later in the week, that could still be a tough area to get past. If you have any questions, give us a call here at 800-551-4626 or visit us on the web at allendale-inc.com.